Looking for the perfect premium laptop in 2025? In this video, we're comparing the HP Dragonfly G4 and the Asus Zenbook 14 Flip to help you decide which one's right for you. Watch till the end. I'll reveal which laptop is the better buy. I've included links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And if you find this helpful, please like the video. It really helps me out. The HP Dragonfly G4 sports a sophisticated matte black chassis, meticulously constructed from 90% recycled magnesium alloy. This choice of material contributes to its remarkably light 2.5-pound frame, making it effortlessly portable. Its design is subtly elegant, featuring a fine texture that repels fingerprints and gently rounded edges for comfortable handling. For connectivity, the Dragonfly G4 offers two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a clever drop-jaw hinged USB-A port, an HDMI output, and a 3.5mm headphone microphone jack with an optional nano SIM slot for mobile broadband. In contrast, the Asus Zenbook 14 Flip presents a CNC-machined aluminum body finished in a foggy silver sand-blasted texture that also resists smudges. While slightly heavier at 3.31 pounds, its standout feature is the versatile ErgoLift 360-degree hinge, enabling seamless transitions between laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes. Its port array is comparable, including two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, one USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, an HDMI 2.1 port, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. Both devices ensure cutting-edge wireless connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. For displays, the HP Dragonfly G4's base configuration features a 13.5-inch 1920 by 1280 non-touch IPS LCD with a 3:2 aspect ratio, which is excellent for document work due to its vertical screen real estate. It offers 405 nits of brightness but delivers only average color performance. 99% sRGB, 75% Adobe RGB, 76% DCI-P3, making it less suitable for precise color-critical tasks. HP strongly recommends its optional 3000 by 2000 OLED panel, which significantly improves sharpness, contrast, and color depth, often at a competitive price. In contrast, the Asus Zenbook 14 Flip stands out with its 14-inch 16 by 10 2.8K OLED touchscreen, boasting a 90 Hz refresh rate and a rapid 0.2 milliseconds response time. Asus certifies it with 100% DCI-P3 coverage and Visa Display HDR TM True Black 500, along with Pantone validation for superb color accuracy. While its measured peak brightness is around 335 nits, OLED's perfect black levels ensure phenomenal HDR content. The Asus display also offers instant touch response and supports the Asus Pen 2.0 with 4096 pressure levels for drawing and note-taking. In terms of cameras, the HP Dragonfly G4 features a 1440p IR webcam with facial recognition, providing sharp and well-balanced images with accurate skin tones for professional video calls. Its unique dual webcam support allows users to connect a second camera and switch views through the My HP app, offering picture-in-picture, side-by-side, and even auto-switching based on eye contact, which is highly beneficial for dynamic remote presentations. The Asus Zenbook 14 Flip is equipped with a 1080p IR-capable webcam that supports Windows Hello. It delivers clear and natural video in well-lit conditions, aided by an AI-driven ambient light sensor for dynamic color and exposure adjustments. Even in dimmer settings, AI enhancements and noise cancellation work to maintain a relatively sharp and bright image, making it suitable for business meetings. Regarding the keyboard and touchpad, the HP Dragonfly G4 provides a delightful typing experience with deep key travel, snappy feedback, and quiet actuation, ideal for long typing sessions. Its spacious touchpad, complemented by the 3:2 screen's deeper palm rest, is smooth, accurate, and offers a firm yet quiet click. The Asus Zenbook 14 Flip features a keyboard with 1.4mm key travel and rubber dome cushioning, balancing responsiveness and quiet operation. The layout is generally well spaced, though the function row keys are smaller. Below the keyboard is a PVD-coated glass trackpad that is smooth, fingerprint-resistant, and delivers satisfying click feedback. A notable feature is its ability to transform into an illuminated numeric keypad with a press of a button, which is convenient for occasional data entry. Finally, for battery life, the HP Dragonfly G4 excels with its 6-cell, 68 watt-hour battery and efficient Intel Core U-Series CPU, achieving an impressive 14.5 hours in video streaming tests, making it excellent for extended workdays or travel. Users opting for the OLED display may see a slight reduction in endurance. The Asus Zenbook 14 Flip, with its 75 watt-hour battery and compact 65-watt USB-C fast charger, offers strong all-day productivity, lasting approximately 12 hours in a 4K Netflix video loop test. It also supports fast charging, reaching about 60% charge in roughly 49 minutes, ensuring quick top-ups during busy schedules. The HP Dragonfly G4, featuring a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1365U processor with 10 cores and 12 threads, is optimized for core productivity tasks. It offers smooth, lag-free performance for daily office applications, web browse, and video conferencing. However, its design intent does not extend to demanding creative workloads like 4K video editing or complex 3D rendering. In contrast, the Asus Zenbook 14 Flip is powered by an Intel Core i7-1360P processor, which includes 12 cores and 16 threads. This chip demonstrates superior performance in sustained, multi-threaded tasks, making it more proficient for activities such as code compilation or batch processing large photo libraries. While both integrate Intel Iris Xe graphics, the Zenbook's CPU gives it an edge in computationally intensive, non-GPU accelerated creative work. For editing performance, both laptops, relying on integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, handle light photo editing well. The Dragonfly G4 is suitable for basic image manipulation, but lacks the discrete GPU necessary for high-resolution video rendering or heavily GPU-accelerated editing. Similarly, the Zenbook 14 Flip, especially with its high-resolution OLED display, excels in color-accurate photo editing and can manage 1080p proxy workflows for 4K video. However, neither is engineered for full-resolution 4K video playback or professional-grade rendering without dedicated graphics. Regarding gaming, neither machine is a gaming powerhouse. The Dragonfly G4 is limited to very casual titles. The Zenbook 14 Flip can run older esports games at 1080p on low to medium settings, typically achieving 30 to 50 frames per second. However, for any modern AAA titles, both laptops will struggle significantly. So, which should you buy in 2025? If you need a lightweight, business-focused laptop with all-day battery and webcam smarts, the HP Dragonfly G4 is great. But for most people, the clear winner is the Asus Zenbook 14 Flip. With its stunning display, better performance, and versatile 2-in-1 design, it offers more value for your money.